Hi, my name is Payal Dash. I study in class 10 from Balia Navachandra Balika Vidyalaya.
My name is Shayani Patro. I study in class 10 from Balia Navachandra Balika Vidyalaya.
We are making a project. Its name is Touchless Use of RFID in Healthcare Industry. In the post-COVID era, touchless is the way forward. The same logic most important in the hospital industry, where patient tracking, medical asset tracking, hospital visitors tracking. Access to such areas of the hospital are of prime importance. Today, the most important challenges for healthcare personnel are minimizing the impact of adverse event and improving patient safely. RFID technology is spearheading to help ensuring safety, security, and tracking of patients and hospital visitors, and also help in inventory management. Hospital can track visitors' location to ensure the safety of patients, prevent visitors from accessing surgery rooms or inventories, etc. Visitors are linked to patients, and if the visitors is not located near the patient or in hospital common areas, an alert sent to the hospital security.
Out of so many benefits, we are going to demonstrate the basic uses of RFID system to solve the most critical problem in minimizing patient infection. This can only be achieved if we can minimize patient interaction with their visitors. To solve this problem, patients needed to be kept in an infection-free room where there is no chance of breathing any infection from other individuals, be it their friends or relatives or any staff. Only visitors and medical staff having a valid RFID tag having access to their patient room should be allowed to visit the patient.
A person having a valid RFID card will be able to visit the patient, but does not have a person does not having a valid RFID card won't be able to visit the patient. Thank you so much.